Hi, workshop group. So before we get started, I want to give you one quick tip very early on in this workshop to make life so much easier for you. If you make a shortcut, however you do that on the internet, to get to the group, the Law of Attraction Beginners, all you have to do is click on that shortcut. Once you are there, go directly to Files, click on Files, and the day's lesson will always be at the top of that long list of files every single time. I understand sometimes people can get sidetracked from this because they're scrolling around inside the group postings looking for the actual daily lesson. All you have to do, go to the group, click on Files, top one every single day. That's how it works to make it easier for you. So anyhow, and a little bit dovetailing with what Joe has already put in today, the universe in you. Here's the thing that I want to kind of add to what he already said. Yes, the universe cares about you as much as you do. Think about that. If you don't care about yourself, your happiness, and your well-being, the universe is not likely to kick into overdrive and try to save you. It's not how it works. Imagine if you were a teacher after 20 years of teaching school, you will focus on the kids that put in effort and that you can, I had a teacher tell me this, I focus on the ones I can save. The ones that don't give up, well, I let them not give up because I'm not going to waste the time that could go to somebody who does care on those who don't. Well, the same thing about the universe. If you care about yourself and you treat yourself with loving behavior, that is what you will receive back. From not just the universe, but from even people. That is what you will attract. But here's the thing. It is based upon what you think, feel, and act. The universe does like action. I don't care what anybody says because action is a very strong vibration. It's not the only thing, but it is a big thing. But here's the thing that goes off the most is how you feel. It reflects how you feel. So when you feel good about something you are doing or something you're receiving, you will get more of that because of that vibration that you are emitting because of that good feeling. You know, I hear sometimes I've had people say, oh, I gave and I gave and I gave and I got nothing in return. And it's like, wow, you know what? One of the reasons why that takes place sometimes is because giving was painful to them. They thought that giving is supposed to hurt, and that's where the nobility lies in giving. That's not true. It's supposed to feel good. Giving our time, our money, our love is supposed to feel good. And when you feel good, guess what happens? Bam! You get all kinds of good stuff back. And they overflow into all areas of our life because there really are no areas. They're just as life. And so if you are feeling good, like say in your love relationship, that's going to have an effect on your health. And if you're feeling good and you're healthy and you go out and exercise and take care of your body, that's going to have an effect on how you relate to people around you in the workplace. You'll be a happier, more energetic person. It all compounds and is connected to each other. So remember, probably the most important thing I could stress to you is to feel good. Because in feeling good is where you are going to attract more of that which makes you feel good. And by the way, when people say, well, how I see people who are bad people. By the way, good and bad is really a relative term because what you call bad and what I call bad might be two different things. What you call good, somebody else might call bad. Like for instance, if people have the big argument about giving money to homeless people. If you give money to homeless people, you're only encouraging them to stay homeless. Somebody else says, no, that's not true because I believe that you're giving them a little moment of peace so they can get something to eat. Whatever, it's all a matter of perspective. So the universe is not judgmental. I believe God created the universe, gave it to us and said, you know what? Here's your playground, go play. I'll see you when it's over. So it's up to you. Make of it what you want. But like I said, the most important thing I can impress upon you is the universe will care about you only as much as you care about yourself. And feeling good is the magic little key to all of it. The better you feel, the better things go. Doesn't mean things don't come along. It happens. But the better we are at this, the quicker we can recover and get back to the feeling good stuff and being happy and having abundance and blessings and happiness. So with that, I love you. I hope that you have an incredibly blessed day, and you will get, by the way, as much out of this workshop as you put into it. Doesn't mean you have to write 12-page letters in the comment threads. You can, and it's good to interact with each other and encourage and help each other, but you'll know what you're putting into this, and that's what you will get out of it. And I've seen people whose lives have transformed from these little free workshops that we put on. And by the way, we charge people a lot of money to do this professionally, so I'd take advantage of it. It's a good opportunity. So with that, I love you, and I love you. Have a blessed day.